how to brighten up the image in Photopea. After you load your image, you will need to check out your adjustments. If you cannot see your adjustments just above the layer panel, you might need to turn them on. So head to Window and be sure your adjustments are on. So just click on that. If you got checkbox, means they're already on, like in my case. Alright, and then there are a few adjustments that can help us out. The very first one is the easiest one to use. It will simply give you two sliders, one for brightness, one for contrast. So if you just want to bump up the brightness slightly, that's the one to choose. Did you notice? While increasing the brightness, I can now see the noise a bit better. So that's not a good thing. So whatever you're increasing the brightness, you may also consider going back to the original layer and then denoising that at the very end. So first, let me just show you a few more adjustment layers that we could use. So I would delete this one. And then there are others that we could use for the very same purpose. You can use curves. And in this case, you can bend the curve yourself. If I bend it down, it's a bit darker, but if I move it up, the image will be also brighter, but then you can control that. You can move it down in this area. So we bump the brightness only in one area and we secure another area so we didn't like overburn anything. So that's really handy. All right. So after you play with different adjustments, of course you can use more than one. So I can still go back and add brightness just from these basic adjustments. There's of course the exposure one as well. When we got three sliders, one is for exposure, so that's the brightness, darkness, offset, very similar, and the gamma correction at the very end. So all three can enhance the brightness greatly. All right, and let's say I'm happy with the result and how we can now merge it all together. So right now I got non-destructive adjustments, but I want to end up only with one flat image, so I can select all of them holding shift, right click and merge. Alright, I got only one layer again, and I can now click filter, and I recommend to maybe consider some kind of reduce noise filter, as the bumping of the brightness very often can also increase the noise. Alright, and now we need to just save it as the brand new version. So click File and export as the format that you need, like JPEG or PNG, PDF, whatever you like. I'm saving this as a JPEG, and here it is. This was the original one, and this is the one we managed to do with some adjustments. So that's how you can enhance brightness using the free tool called Photopea.